Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search the members directory. So this is a really powerful part of the platform, something I'm very proud of. I'm here on my test account that we created a little while ago. I'm going to show you guys how to search through this. So you can filter different sections here. You can look by the newest members. You can search by alphabetical order if you wanted to. But in this case, we'll just do recently active. So this search filter here is very powerful. You can also just note that there is a page section here at the bottom. So you can scroll through pages of results. So you can filter by profile type. We can start with this and click search. So that updates, there's 135 results. So if you wanted to say male, there you go, you've got 48. Now, if we wanted to go between the ages of 27 and 55, you've got 31. Now you can add a country. So for the country field, take note of this, enter the full country name. So you're gonna wanna say United States, search. We've narrowed it down to 14. And I will just take a stab at this and say that at least one of these guys is in California. There you go. So there you go. You've got 4 results, very specific. So you can actually even take this to the members map. You can hit the search button again. It carries your filter, and now you can see that on the map. Pretty cool. And when you're on the map, you can click on these points and you can see who's actually there. You can see their profile. And when you click here, it will take you to their profile. So that's a really cool thing. We're going to go back to the members directory, hit search here again, and clear this. One more thing you can do is you can search all the fields of somebody's profile. So for example, in my actual profile, not my test profile, I have the words executive director. So the only result here is me, because I'm the only person on the website who has that in their profile. So you could search pretty much anything here. You could search name. So if we wanted to look for Vlad, there we go. And you can get pretty creative with this. It's any piece of text that appears in somebody's profile, and you can search with or without as many of these filters as you want. So if you just want to search by age or whatever, or if you just want to search by gender, you can mix and match. Same thing on the map. You can do all of that as well. And with the map, you can just come in on here and look for yourself if you want to do it manually without using the filters. If you just want to see different people, you can come in here, right? You can do all of that. Or you can use the filters like I showed you. All of it is the same. So happy searching, guys. Hope you find your friends and soul family here.